Imagine owning a barbershop that's not just profitable, but the talk of the town. From smart planning to savvy marketing strategies, we've got all the insider tips you need to make your barbershop dreams a reality. Stick around. This could be the game changer you've been waiting for. 1. Planning your barbershop. Before you dive into the barbershop business, planning is crucial. Here are the key steps. Research and market analysis. Start by researching your local market. Identify your competition, their strengths, weaknesses, and customer base. Understand the demographics and preferences of your target audience. This will help you carve out a unique niche. Business plan. Create a detailed business plan outlining your vision, mission, target market, services, pricing, marketing strategies, and financial projections. A solid business plan will serve as your roadmap and help attract investors or secure loans if needed. Location selection. Choose a location with high foot traffic, easy accessibility, and visibility. A prime location can significantly impact your business's success. Consider renting or leasing a space that aligns with your budget. Legal requirements. Register your business, obtain necessary licenses, and comply with local regulations. This includes health and safety inspections, barber licenses, and insurance coverage. 2. Setting up your barbershop. Once your plan is in place, it's time to set up your barbershop. Here's what you need to do. Design and layout. Create a welcoming and stylish environment. Invest in comfortable seating, high-quality barber chairs, and attractive decor. A clean and well-organized space enhances customer experience and encourages repeat visits. Equipment and supplies. Purchase professional-grade barbering equipment such as clippers, scissors, razors, and grooming products. Don't forget to stock up on towels, capes, and sanitation supplies. Quality tools ensure efficient service and client satisfaction. Hiring staff. Hire skilled and passionate barbers. Look for individuals with experience, a strong work ethic, and excellent customer service skills. Providing training and continuous education can keep your team motivated and up to date with the latest trends and techniques. Pricing strategy. Set competitive yet profitable prices for your services. Consider offering different packages or memberships to attract a diverse clientele. Monitor your expenses and adjust prices periodically to ensure profitability. 3. Marketing your barbershop. Now that your barbershop is ready, it's time to attract customers. Effective marketing is key. Online presence. Create a professional website showcasing your services, prices, location, and contact information. Optimize it for local search to attract nearby customers. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok to post engaging content. Showcase your work and interact with potential clients. Local advertising. Invest in local advertising methods such as flyers, posters, and ads in community magazines or newspapers. Partner with local businesses to cross-promote services and reach a wider audience. Referral programs. Encourage satisfied customers to refer their friends and family by offering incentives like discounts or free services. Word-of-mouth referrals can significantly boost your client base. Promotions and events. Host special promotions, seasonal discounts, or community events to attract new customers and keep existing ones engaged. For example, offering discounted haircuts for first-time customers or organizing a charity event can create buzz around your barbershop. 4. Delivering exceptional customer service. Delivering outstanding customer service is vital for retaining clients and building a loyal customer base. Here's how. Personalized experience. Get to know your customers by name and understand their preferences. Offer personalized recommendations and remember their favorite styles. This personal touch can create lasting relationships. Comfort and convenience. Ensure your barbershop is clean, comfortable, and equipped with amenities like Wi-Fi, magazines, and beverages. Implement an efficient booking system to reduce waiting times and offer online booking options for added convenience. Consistency. Maintain high standards of service quality and consistency. Train your barbers to follow consistent procedures and deliver consistent results. Customers should feel confident that they will receive the same great service every time they visit. Feedback and improvement. Encourage customer feedback through surveys, suggestion boxes, or online reviews. Use this feedback to identify areas for improvement and address any issues promptly. Show your customers that you value their opinions and are committed to providing the best experience. 5. Financial management and growth. Managing your finances effectively is crucial for sustaining and growing your barbershop business. Here are some tips. Expense tracking. Keep a detailed record of all expenses, including rent, utilities, supplies, salaries, and marketing costs. Use accounting software to streamline this process and ensure accuracy. Budgeting. Create a monthly and annual budget to monitor your income and expenses. Set financial goals and track your progress regularly. This will help you identify areas where you can cut costs and allocate funds more efficiently. Revenue streams. Diversify your revenue streams by offering additional services such as beard grooming, hair products, or even merchandise like branded apparel. This can increase your income and attract a broader customer base. Investment in growth. Reinvest profits into your business to fuel growth. Consider expanding your services, opening new locations, or investing in advanced barbering equipment. Stay updated with industry trends and continuously innovate to stay ahead of the competition. Starting and growing a profitable barbershop business requires careful planning, dedication, and a customer-centric approach. By conducting market research, setting up a welcoming space, implementing effective marketing strategies, delivering exceptional customer service, and managing your finances, you can build a thriving barbershop that stands out in the market. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Thank you for watching.